All right, now we really need to assess the damage that happened to the Mustang while I was doing the dumbest thing in the world. But good news is I bought the water pump. It's right here. I have the serial connector there that I need to install. And then I'm gonna go ahead and look over the data log and see, I wonder if the water pump was already leaking, and that's when I didn't notice, like maybe the temp gauge rose or something. Hopefully the data log can actually show me what happened first, because I don't think the steam port would pop off, but you never know. Let's go ahead and check that log. All right, so I made a log that said coolant hose came off right there. I don't know if there it goes. As you guys can see, it read 261. Golly, did I blow a head gasket too? And it just kept getting hotter and hotter. Yep, I might have been leaking the whole time, and that's why the car shut off. That's probably why the car shut off when I was like, it's starting to act funny. It was probably overheating the whole freaking time, and I just never noticed. I was looking at my coolant gauge, and it didn't show me anything. So that's the reason right there. The water pump blew up the first time. I really hope I didn't cook the head gaskets. Let's go ahead and start disassembling everything out of the front end. I really don't want to do it. Ah, you suck. But I need to do it. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, so sponsored by, again, heater's on. Sorry guys. Here's the water pump. I don't see anything bad as of yet. Yeah, I don't really see much, but the gasket does feel blown out here. It's very flat, like compared to that side. Yeah, it might have just been that time, you know. Water pump don't look bad, but hell, oh god, that could have been it too. All right, so as you guys can see now, I got the coolant reservoir on. Water pump is in, new gaskets. I should pressure test it just to make sure, but okay, so what I'm gonna do now is pop open the garage door just a little bit so I don't die of carbon monoxide. Now I can go ahead and start the car. I hit my damn heater. Leave down below if you guys think it was just the water pump and the head gasket didn't blow when I was doing those dumb, ridiculous pulls at 270, Fahrenheit on the coolant. Why it's running so lean though, that's for sure. Well, I do believe she's fixed. I'm trying to get that fan out so it's just out of the way. That coolant's a little dirty. I mean, that's probably just rust that's been sitting in the motor. Okay, what I really need to do now, A, hook up that serial connector, B, change the spark plugs, and then C, I need to go put some more 91 in this. It's gonna be hella cold tomorrow, but I might as well just take this to go get gas tomorrow after I change the plugs and get that serial connector so I can really data log. I really need a data log. That is the only thing right now. But every time I data log, you guys know exactly what happens. Just saying, this air compressor, the 26 gallon, I don't know what horsepower, this thing is gonna do actually very, very well. I just held the gun. I just went ahead and cleaned the gun again. I held it for literally 15 minutes. And this thing literally did not drop. I just started bleeding the pressure down. It just now hit 90. That thing was holding steady. I should have just bought this first. This paint job would have looked so much better if I had that air compressor. But dang, hey, I'll do Bailey's car next. But this was a great purchase. Alrighty, I finally got the serial connector connected. That was kind of a tongue twister. So, it's very simple. All you're gonna take is your serial connector. So 2 and 5 on the top is one that goes to the blue on the AEM gauge, and then the black, obviously in the top right, goes to your ground. Just put that anywhere to a ground, and then literally that's all you do. hook up your USB and your USB on the HP tuner, and then just, you're gonna bring up your VCM scanner, right click, and then you're gonna add channel. It's gonna ask you for external inputs. You're gonna click on your AEN. Sorry, go to your serial ports, then click AEN, and then you're gonna click your EQ ratio right here instead of the actual X series. Now the HP tuner is not even recognizing the fucking vehicle. It keeps saying unlocked, timer, timed out, or timer locked, or something of those fucking things. Honestly, I'm about to just swap to a Holley Terminator X. Leave a like down below if I should. Let's go ahead and buy one. Oh my Lord, what? He got Bondo? You got Bondo, you got Bondo. Oh, what are we doing, Bales? What are you doing? Okay. Guess you guys know what we're doing. And also, I just sold my HP tuner. Yeah, I'm swapping to a Holley system now, a Holley Terminator X. That'll be here on Tuesday. I gotta swap the throttle body to a drive-by cable now, so I got that, and the adapter from a 3, because this is a 3-bolt throttle body, and now I'm swapping to a 4, so that'll be here on Tuesday. So today's video is mainly gonna consider on this freaking Honda that's Bailey's in the background there. That is what we're doing today. We're gonna go ahead and paint. I gotta get both cars out of here, and we gotta start sanding. Bailey's making a lot of progress here. Hopefully he gets done pretty soon. It is starting to get pretty dark outside, so we need to get this thing wiped down and taped up, masked up, and I gotta get the garage all pretty much cleaned, squeegeed, and then wrap everything up in the garage, so he really needs to hurry. I got my little paint suit on. It looks awful when I put the old condom on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's get the full costume going. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we're done. Okay, now we're good. Ready, everything's taped up. We're gonna like mask up the wheels and then go at it from there. Plus we gotta take the headlights off. Everything else is ready. We just gotta wipe it and spray it.
Hardcore blowout.
Oh, what happened there on the paint suit?
I had to do squats.
Oh man, squat hard.
Get low.
One coat on. It's been about 30 minutes or so since we laid it. Now, let's go ahead and get another good layer on it. Well, we got it all painted. It looks a lot better than mine. I see what I did wrong on mine. Yeah, that looks so much better than mine. On mine, on the Fox body, I didn't go as thick. I know that now. This looks so much better, 10 times better. Rust-oleum is not that bad. The compressor, it's better, but it's still, I can get a couple good passes. A lot better than the 6-gallon. But hey, I think I can do it again if I tried, but that looks really good, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I did a lot better this time. I'm glad Bailey did a lot more body work, because, you know, like I was saying, this thing it looks good. Now, we just gotta let it dry. We did his ducktail as well. That's looking fresh. And then, back out's all good. It looks a lot better than what it did. Guys, this car has gone a long way since when Brodie and I went and picked it up. It looked like straight, and now look at this. Just looks so friggin' good now. Like, I'm excited for what this thing is gonna look like. But now we just gotta let it cure. I'm waiting on a couple things like my Holly Terminator X and my throttle body and all that stuff. That'll be here on Tuesday. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, drop your thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.